Welcome to the Fast 5 quiz. This quiz will test your knowledge on the 5th installment of the Fast and Furious franchise, where Dom, Brian, and the crew plan a massive heist in Rio de Janeiro. Ready to put your Fast 5 knowledge to the test? Let's get started. What type of vehicle is used in the heist scene to pull the vault? The correct answer, A, Dodge Charger. Who is the DSS agent assigned to capture Dom and his crew? The correct answer, B, Luke Hobbs. What is the name of the villain in Fast 5? The correct answer, C, Hernan Reyes. What iconic location does the final chase scene take place in? The correct answer, B, Rio de Janeiro. How much money is in the vault Dom and Brian steal? The correct answer, B, $100 million. Which character returns to join the crew in Fast 5 after being presumed dead? The correct answer, B, Letty Ortiz. What role does Roman Pierce play in the heist? The correct answer, B, the talker. How does Dom initially plan to steal the vault? The correct answer, D, by dragging it through the streets with cars. What do Dom and Brian do with their share of the heist money? The correct answer, C, go their separate ways, each starting a new life. What's the final scene in Fast 5? The correct answer, B, Hobbs discovering that Letty is alive. Thanks for playing our Fast 5 quiz. We hope you enjoyed testing your knowledge about this thrilling movie. Stay tuned for more quizzes and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content.